Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are upcycling thrift store belts and turning them into beautiful marbled cuffs with Marabu Easy Marble. You're gonna love this project. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some marbled cuffs. This is a great way to upcycle outdated and thrift store belts, and one belt can make up to 4 cuffs depending on the size. For the most vivid colors, base coat your leather with a light or white leather and vinyl paint. If you don't want to use snaps, you could use Velcro dots or glue the ends together to make a bangle. Just make sure it's large enough to slip over your hand. Wearing gloves will keep your hands clean, but if you don't, you can take off the Easy Marble with nail polish remover. I have tried almost every marbling technique out there, and Marabu Easy Marble is the absolute easiest. Mixing these cuffs with turquoise beads and silver charm bracelets would look amazing. I'm going to leave a link to Marabu in the description. Make sure to check out Marabu. They have amazing products, not just Easy Marble, which I also love. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab one of my craft books, I think they'll inspire you, and I will see you next week. Bye.